We're going to be making our grilled cheese sandwich next. Look at that stretch. This cheese sandwich, you start with some oil in a pan. You can use olive oil. I'm using flavored oil that I fried meat with. So you're going to put in some chicken breast. You can use any part of the chicken, no, as long as it doesn't have bones. That's the main thing. So I'm using chicken breast that I just picked up from the supermarket, and then you're going to season this lightly. You can season with white pepper or just Maggi seasoning. I'm using adobo seasoning. So you want this to lightly stir fry, okay? Now, why I'm doing this in a pan with a lot of oil is because this pan doesn't stick anymore because I've misused this pan. So if you're using a pan that is non-stick, please don't attempt to stir fry. Put oil and let your chicken cook through. But if you want chicken that is rare, like how you have medium rare, well cooked, etc., then you can stir fry. Next up, we're going to work our bread. You want to butter both sides of the bread. You can use any type of butter. This is the one that I'm using. You want to butter both sides of your bread because you want the bread to be crunchy and have that, dark, almost burnt toasted color. You can do this in a toaster. You can do this in a panini press. I'm just doing this in a pan because I already dirtied the pan. You want to grate or slice your cheese as desired, whatever quantity you want, just put it on there, and then you work this and you let this steam. You're going to cover this so that the cheese will melt. Put any quantity of cheese you want, but be generous, please. If you're generous, then the cheese will melt nicely and give you that sweet form. And once this is done, sandwich is ready. Make sure you use chicken that doesn't have any bone. Make sure you use good cheese and butter. In fact, this recipe is very nice when you mix cheese. If you have cream, cheddar, mozzarella, just pack it in there. It's so nice when you mix different types of cheese and it melts nicely. See this burnt pattern. Oh, so sweet.